Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to use the Snow Enzyme Cleanser EX, part of the Incellderm Korean skincare line. Get ready to experience gentle yet effective cleansing like never before. Step 1. Start with dry hands and a dry face. Dispense a nickel-sized amount of the Snow Enzyme Cleanser EX onto your palm. Step 2. Apply the cleanser evenly to your dry face, massaging it gently in circular motions. Step 3. As you massage, you'll notice the enzymes activating and forming a luxurious foam. This unique foaming action helps to lift away impurities and dead skin cells. Step 4. Wet your hands with warm water and continue massaging the foam into your skin. The warm water helps to emulsify the cleanser, ensuring a thorough cleanse. Step 5. Rinse your face thoroughly with warm water, ensuring all traces of the cleanser are removed. For best results, follow with the cleansing oil and use daily, both day and night. For the ultimate skincare experience, explore the full range of Incellderm products designed to unlock your skin's natural radiance. You can purchase the Snow Enzyme Cleanser and other premium Incellderm products today by visiting our website or clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.